Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for Etsy. First, connect your Etsy shop to QuickBooks Online. This allows for automatic import of your sales data. Next, set up your sales tax categories to ensure accurate tracking of your tax liabilities. Finally, create specific income and expense accounts within QuickBooks to properly categorize all your Etsy-related transactions. This foundational setup is crucial for accurate financial management. Once set up, focus on tracking your income and expenses. Categorize all Etsy sales, refunds, and fees to maintain clear financial reports. Make sure to record every business expense, from your craft supplies to shipping costs. Regularly reconciling your bank and credit card statements within QuickBooks ensures that all your transactions are accurately accounted for, giving you a true picture of your cash flow. Effective inventory management is key for an Etsy shop. QuickBooks helps you track product quantities and calculate your cost of goods sold. By monitoring your inventory levels, you can avoid both stockouts and overstocking, optimizing your purchasing decisions. Remember to adjust your inventory records for any returns, damaged items, or products you use personally, keeping your stock accurate and up to date. Finally, leverage QuickBooks for powerful reporting and tax preparation. Generate profit and loss reports to assess your business performance and identify areas for growth. Utilize the sales tax reports to easily prepare and file your sales tax returns. QuickBooks Data also simplifies the preparation of necessary tax forms, such as Form 1099-K, making tax season much less stressful for your Etsy business.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.